What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to go pick up the boost gauges for my G, and also so this is one of the pipings from my turbo kit that I got, and I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if I could get the light in there, but you see that part right there? It needs to be basically like opened up a little bit more, because coming from this pipe it's like a little bit closed. I'll put some pictures on the screen right here so that you guys can see it better. But yeah, so the plan is to go pick up my boost gauges, and I'm also most likely going to be picking up, an axle, like I said, for the rear, for my on the driver's side, because it's blown. Or it's not blown, but the boot is like ripped. So I'm gonna go be picking up that today also. I might. If not, I'll do it tomorrow for sure. Oh yeah, you guys can see it right there now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road and go pick up my gauges real quick. Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up to the place where I'm about to get my gauges. Down here, almost. Got a nice GTR in the front. I got the boost gauge, and then I got the air fuel ratio. I'm also gonna get the oil pressure gauge, but I found somewhere where I could get it cheaper. It's the same brand, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go that route, because might as well pay, the cheaper one instead of paying like, $200 for another one. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could pick up the oil pressure gauge right now, and then I'll show you guys that. All right, so you guys can see I just picked up the oil pressure gauge. This is brand new as well. I just found it for cheaper, so I went that route instead of getting it at the store. Got all the gauges that I need, and now I'm just waiting on the gauge pod to come in. It's gonna be the one that that mounts up right here onto the A-pillar. But yeah, basically after that, waiting on an oil pan spacer, and then I think that's it pretty much. And we'll be able to, start putting the turbo kit on, and then it'll be lit. Alright, y'all. So I'm here at my guy, Mr. George's house. So I got my I ended up picking up the axle, like I said, and right now we're gonna be doing the diff bushings as well. So hopefully it doesn't take us too long. Man, my car is so dirty. Like, I should have washed it for sure. I need to clean my toenail too. It's like, my toenail is ashy. Look how dirty this mess is, bro. Like, oh my goodness.
If everyone can please send $1, put your cash out real quick, to this poor person so he can wash his car. Right there.
Oh shoot.
At David.
Since I don't have one of the stickers. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It's so dirty, bro. is ripped and the boot's ripped under there. All right, y'all, so the tome is off now. Now we're just gonna get to the, so we get to the axle. So, talking about this, look how like dirty it is.
Oh yeah, that's just disgusting.
I'm about to clean that for sure. All right, y'all, so the video's been spread out, you know, over a few days, just because, you know, I couldn't do everything in one day. You know, having to replace the axle and the diff bushing, like I ended up, you know, not having the correct tool to do that. We ended up not having the correct tool to do that, and all the stores were closed, so we had to, you know, wait till the next day. But you know, everything is on, everything's good. Shout out to George for helping me out with that. This is an old axle, as you can see, it's blown. Pretty much shit. I'm probably just gonna throw this away, to be honest. But yeah, so replaced that and the diff bushing the other night. Shout out to my guy George for, you know, coming through with that. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and head to the shop that's, you know, that has the piping for my turbo kit. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna pick it up, and then that'll be that. All right, guys, so I just got it back. Looks pretty good, to be honest. They opened it up like a lot, like way more. It's kind of hard for you to see in there. I'll add some pictures. I'll take pictures and I'll add it right here. But yeah, Shoutout 365 Performance. You know, they always come through when, you know, need some help with like piping and stuff like that, exhaust leaks. Yeah, pretty happy with how it came out. There you guys can see it a little bit better compared to how it was before when you couldn't even see through. But yeah. All right, guys, so it's been about a week and a half, maybe 2 more weeks since I started this video. I finally got the last piece of the puzzle. This right here, I'm sure it's the oil pan spacer that I've been waiting on, and my spark plugs, the one-step coder spark plugs. So I'm just gonna open them up and see real quick. All right, so like I said, this is the oil pan spacer. You can see it inside the lower wrap, and then, you know, I got the hardware. So I'm pretty sure that's all that's in that box. All right, so I went ahead and I took everything out. So I got the one-step coder spark plugs right here. So you need these when you run boost. So one-step coder, and then I got the gauge pod. Like I said, it's gonna go on the A-pillar right there. Some silicone for when I, you know, put the oil pan spacer on, and then the oil pan spacer. So that's that. Okay, and also this is the heat wrap. Let's see if I can get it out real quick. Okay, so this is the heat wrap, and this is the turbo blanket. So we're ready. You know, I have everything I need. So I'm gonna try to get this turbo kit put on, you know, as soon as possible. All right, so with that being said, I have everything that I need, you know, to boost it finally. Now it's time. Simple. In the next video, I should be, you know, going under boost, or, you know, starting the process of installing it, because I plan on doing this ASAP. I've been waiting long enough. I know you guys have been waiting long enough, so let's go ahead and get it done. But, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, you know, like, sub, comment, share, and I'll see y'all in the next one.